Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Raspberry Pi from your Mac. So basically you have to know your IP address of your Mac, of your Raspberry Pi, and then open terminal. And in terminal we're gonna put this command SSH, and then the username of your Raspberry Pi, by default is Pi, and then add and the IP address. Mine is 192.168.0.101. Enter, and now the default password is Raspberry, and nothing's gonna pop up when you type, but it's there. And here we go. We have access to our Raspberry Pi from our Mac. Yeah, you can do basically everything. Let's try to configure it. So to configure, you have to put sudo raspi-config, and now we have access to the configurations. We can update, we can do all the stuff like here, but I should have put it, but that's fine. So yeah, that's it basically. It's that easy. When you want to exit, you just type exit or close, and everything's gonna close. Oh, you see, it's already updated. So yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, leave them below. I'll try to answer ASAP. Peace.